Planning your wedding is an exciting time, and ensuring your skin looks radiant is an essential part of your bridal beauty routine. Here are some most common treatments and the timelines you should be considering when to start before your big day. Number 1, laser hair reduction, at least 6 to 8 months prior. Severe acne with a lot of acne scarring, 4 to 6 months prior. Dullness, uneven skin tone, 3 months prior. Stretch mark removal, 6 months. Skin boosters like Profilo and Volite, 6 to 8 weeks before your D-Day. Under eye fillers, cheek fillers or lip fillers, 6 to 8 weeks prior. IV glutathione, 3 months prior to the big day. Remember not to try anything new in the last 2 weeks. For more information, please read the captions. Thank you.